Yeah.
Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to be doing a YouTube channel with a paper airplane, and my stepsister is behind the cameras.
Hi.
Yeah, she's going to be videotaping, and then I'll videotape. It's really creepy out here, but yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. That was good. Okay. Now it's my stepsister's turn. Oh geez, this thing's heavy. Hold on.
Oh, that's up.
Okay, so
Oh, geez, the garage is broken.
whose garage? Guys, if you cannot see this, their freaking garage is broken. Okay, here. Look at this crap. I don't know if you could see that, but it's freaking broken, bro. See? Look at that crap. Garage, freaking broken. Okay, so yeah. Here, hold the camera. So guys, now you know how these airplanes work. So see you next time on my airplane daily vlog. If you want to see more, please comment down below or leave a like.
And subscribe.
Yep,
Bye.
and subscribe. See you.